Are you tired of being the shortest person in your friend group? Or are your feet tired of wearing heels just to look tall every time you step out? Well, I'm here to help you solve your short girl problems. Welcome to another episode of Fashion Deep Dive. I'm Ishita, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 styling hacks that will give you an illusion of looking taller than you really are. Let's dive in. Let's start with my absolute favorite, which is monochrome dressing. Now, I don't mean you have to wear black or white from top to bottom. What I mean is wearing colors from the same color family. For example, you could pick up brown as a color family and you could wear a beige top, pair it with brown pants and wear nude heels. Or another example would be to wear greens. You could wear an olive green top with, say, green pants, and your sandals could also be in the same color family. You could again mix and match whites and creams as well. So what this does is when you're dressed in one color family, your body is not divided by a harsh line. For example, if you're wearing, say, a white top and a black pair of jeans, there is a harsh line cutting your body into 2 halves, which makes you look shorter. It literally tricks your eyes into seeing you as one long continuous line, and that automatically makes you look taller. This also is a great way to put together a chic outfit without putting in too much effort. So you don't have to think about what color to pair with what. Just pick up one color family and put together your entire outfit using that color. Number 2 is wearing tailored clothes and ditching those baggy clothes. Now, if you're someone who's slightly shorter and wants to look taller, get rid of your baggy clothes or avoid wearing them as much as you can. Now, I know oversized clothes and street style is super popular and trending right now, and even I like to switch up my style every now and then. But if you are a short person and you sort of wear baggy oversized clothes, you're going to drown in that fabric. All it's going to do is shorten your entire body frame. What you want to do instead is wear clothes that actually fit your body. Now, you don't have to wear super tight clothes. All I mean is wear tailored, well-fitted clothes. It could mean a well-fitted blazer, tailored trousers, or even a structured dress. These make you look taller, sleeker, and more confident. So if you have any oversized baggy clothes in your wardrobe, you must get them tailored, and think of it like giving a glow up to your existing wardrobe. And like I always say in most of my videos, make your local Master G your best friend. Number 3, the rule of thirds. Now, I know this sounds like some complicated formula, but it's actually really simple once you get it. Now, when you wear, say, a simple top and jeans, you're dividing your body into 50-50, which is a 1:1 proportion. What you need to do is instead try a 1:2 or 2:1 ratio. What I mean by this, and it's pretty simple, is wear a shorter top, say a crop top, and a high-waisted jeans. So your torso becomes 1/3 of the portion and the pants become 2/3 of the portion. You can do the same thing with a maxi skirt, which is high-waisted, and pair it with a tucked-in shirt. You don't necessarily have to wear crop tops. You can wear t-shirts that are tucked in or shirts that are tucked in. This little shift in the proportion totally fools the eye to make you look taller. Basically elongating your body without even wearing a pair of heels. I actually did a detailed short form video on this topic, so make sure to check it out. You can just tap the link right here or here. Number 4, when it comes to jackets, go long and not wide. Everyone loves wearing jackets in winters. I absolutely love them. But if you're slightly shorter in height, what you need to pick out are taller jackets and not wider. The minute you wear something that flares out, it's going to make your body frame again shorter and stockier. You need to create an illusion of vertical lines, and trench coats or duster coats that are longish kind of help you do that. You want to avoid bulking your sides as much as you can. Oh, and a pro tip, keep it unbuttoned or open. This further creates the illusion of those vertical lines that we are trying to achieve here. Tip number 5 is short tops with high-waisted everything. If I had to tell you just one hack out of all of these that you need to pick, this would be it. Shorter tops with high-waisted or any high-rise bottoms, be it skirts, jeans, trousers, pants, or shorts, is a game changer and an unstoppable combo if you're trying to give the illusion of looking taller. When you wear a crop top, your torso automatically shortens. Plus, when you pair it with something high-waisted, jeans, skirts, anything, it automatically pushes your waistline even higher. Now, if you're not into showing off your midriff or you're not comfortable with that, you don't necessarily have to wear crop tops that show off your waist. You can go in with different kinds of tucks that are there when you're wearing a shirt. I did a video on that. You can check it out right here. or you can also wear a cropped sweater that pretty much covers your waist. Number 6, match your bottoms to your shoes. Now this is so simple but such a powerful styling hack to make yourself look taller. For example, you can wear black pumps or black boots with black pants. You can wear white sneakers with white jeans or white pants or white cargos, or you can wear nude sandals or nude heels with beige pants. Now why should you do this? Because this gives you no color break between your ankles and your feet. Your legs look like they just keep going. So it's a great illusion to make your legs look longer. It looks seamless and you look tall AF. So mission accomplished. And a pro tip here is try and wear pointed toe footwear. No one really talks about it, but this visually elongates your foot and stretches your leg line as well. And now on top of that, along with pointed footwear, if you match your footwear and bottom, then honestly, it's a great secret weapon. Now, even in Indian skin tones that can vary from nude to mocha to caramel, there are tons of heels available that match that skin shade. So pick out something that matches your skin tone. And lastly, number 7, wear vertical accessories. This is an underrated hack but yet so effective. I'm talking about long pendants, necklaces, dangling earrings, even a scarf that's just open and runs down your neck. Great way to get the eyes to look up and down and not side to side, which is basically what our aim is. Keep in mind that anything vertical that you wear, it could be pinstripes, it could be some sort of print that runs vertically, is going to help you look taller. So if you are a short frame or a short body type or a petite girl, try and always incorporate vertical things into your outfit. So this wraps up the video. These were 7 styling hacks to help you with your short girl problems. I hope you guys will try it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you do or if you have any more questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.